What's up, everybody? I'm gonna bring you on a little tour. I'm gonna bring you through a mobile home that I'll likely be making an offer on. It appears this thing is pretty overpriced, which could work in my favor. A lot of times overpriced properties stay on the market for a long time. Anyway, I'm gonna take you through there right now. This is the property right here. Alright, there is a mobile home directly behind this one, so we'd probably have to get either a fence up in the back over here. Pretty decent sized lanai, living space. There's like a little attached shed here, looks to be in fairly good shape. Alright, let's get inside this thing. Always want to knock first. Now that is one of the benefits of being a real estate agent as well as a real estate investor. You have full access to multiple listing system as well as the electronic key boxes to get you inside these properties. Check them out. Makes things way easier. Hello? Hello? Can't tell if somebody's sleeping over there or what. Definitely somebody sleeping in there. We're gonna get out of here. What? Alright, I thought that was a little odd because as I pulled up to the property, in the confidential remarks that the realtor left said that the electricity is off. And as I pulled up to the property, the ceiling fan inside that lanai is definitely on. But yeah, I walked into the property and there's some chick laid out in a bed, just passed out. I yelled multiple times. I knocked on the door, and as I got closer, there's definitely somebody sleeping in the property. So I don't know if these people are squatting or what, but we're gonna go ahead and cancel this one for today. But I'll call the real estate agent and find out what the deal is with this property, who's in it, and then I'll bring you guys back through it. That was pretty crazy. Until next time, sorry guys.